The government's being encouraged to keep loosening its approach to foreign buyers with rural areas in mind. It's inviting certain active investor visa holders to build or buy one home worth at least $5 million. Hyatt Consulting Principal Consultant David Hyatt says this offers great opportunities for the likes of Auckland and Queenstown, but he says there's still a gap for other regions where there's a lot of property valued below $5 million available. Hyatt says many of these people want to get away from where everyone else is and aren't always looking for the high-profile cities and tourist resorts. Thousands of planned health procedures and appointments could be postponed this week, with nurses undertaking further strikes. More than 36,000 nurses' organisation members are striking from 7 to 11 this morning and again on Thursday. Nurses claim Health New Zealand hasn't made any efforts to address unsafe staffing levels. Health NZ says that the action could disrupt treatment, services and care over the entire week, especially for patients with non-urgent needs. But it says hospitals and EDs will be open and care will still be given to those who need it. New Zealand has one of the most complex governments in the world. That's according to a new report from the New Zealand Initiative, which says our 81 ministerial portfolios are undermining good government. It's calling for a cabinet cull, including creating senior and junior ministers and reducing portfolios to 20 or less. At least 800 people are believed dead and nearly 3,000 have been injured in a strong quake in eastern Afghanistan. The death toll is expected to rise much higher as entire villages are reportedly destroyed. Two former prime ministers will attend a major military parade in China, with Kim Jong-un and Vladimir Putin also on the guest list. John Key and Helen Clark will attend the event at Tiananmen Square, marking 80 years since China defeated Japan in World War II. China calls that conflict the World Anti-Fascist War. Chinese President Xi Jinping will speak to the audience, which will include 20 current and former leaders and other diplomats from around the world. Our largest ever North Island Tourism Alliance is just getting started as they work to win over Australian travellers this week. More than 70 tourism operators are attending events in Sydney today and Melbourne tomorrow under the partnership Kiwi North. Auckland Unlimited Head of Tourism Karen Thompson-Smith says if all goes well in Australia, they'll take Kiwi North to China next year.
We're also currently underway and looking at planning on taking the same concept to North America, which is another really key market for us.